Welcome to another jam-packed full residence here. The Regent. Welcome to the Regent residence. As we're touring you, we are also showing you the most luxurious. Remember, we're showing you the most luxurious, the most comfortable, and the most prestigious residences we could find here in Port Elizabeth. So this is one of the residences. So here's our security. How's it, Machingalan? How's it? Yeah. It's one of our securities. Then if you look at the side, this will be your lift where you can get your elevators to other rooms. Right now we're showing you at the common areas. Nearly hit that door. So this is our postcard, so you're safe throughout your stay here at the Regent. As you can see here, this is a flooring where everyone can be entertained, share a couple of ideas. You can even have a session with your friends where you just come in here, you just chat about successful things, share ideas, share possibilities, share opportunities. We're here to communicate, we're here to network, guys. So as we are in the entertainment space, so there's a pool for the guys and girls, but it's notoriously guys. And then here we can have a chill session or battle session, whatever you want to do, even host a tournament. Then if you look at this side, it's where you can be entertained while doing your research. You see how beautiful people are also doing their research. School, guys, school. Right now we're about to tour one of their most beautiful rooms. I tell you, they're very beautiful. And as we enter, see even the entrance, it's a home away from home. So it gives off that beautiful textures, those beautiful urban feel. Is this really a residence? Man, let's check it. Come, if you look here, we have your lounge area with a beautiful space whereby you can even host events with your friends. Just play around with the place, make it look. This place already looks alive. You're here with your friends, just chilling, enjoying a nice couple of sessions. See, here you can even have your, what do they call them? Psychology sessions, right? They call them psych sessions. You can even come here, discuss problems that you might be facing with the floor leader. And guess what? All about the health, man. All about the health. As we can come in here, this beautiful passage, as you can see, with a keen attention to detail. Even if you look at how the entire flooring is placed, even the doors. Let me show you the doors. The doors, handles, everything is just up to. You know what? I'm not even going to say. We're in space. That's what this place is. It's out of space. They had to put it there just to emphasize my friends. It's out of space. Just this place is very, very beautiful. And if you look at how these are popping out, they just complement the entire look of this place. It's just an amazing view indeed. Right now we're going to go into our common area. We have a kitchen. You know what? This is our common area indeed. While you're cooking, you can even host an event. The leader of the family sits on this side, and the kids that side. You relax, most. It's a kitchen, then it's a sitting area right there. I'm not even sure if this is an entire residence, if this is a res or this is a house, because you are literally home away from home. Guys, you can host an entire family in here. You can host an entire family right here. Just look at this place. Very nice indeed. Oh man. Guys, just look at it. There's a lounge area, there's a kitchen area. No mamas here, okay? Yeah. This, by the way, this is a girls' side. So if you're a girl and you love how this place looks, man, come on through. Come to the Regent. Even the fridges are paid. Even the fridges are branded the Regent. This is the res. Yeah, I'm speechless for real. Just look at this. This is literally a home far away from home. Let's check out the laundry room. The laundry room. Oh, let me show you something. Let me show you something. So the lights here are sensors, right? As you come in, they just show you. They welcome you very nice in this place. See, you can do your washing here. Be nice, man. It's nice. How many TVs have we passed? It's 1. It's 2. This is the same floor, so they're avoiding the crowded space. So if you don't like being in a crowded space, you can be at that side or a bit this side. Either way, you're enjoying your favorite show with a paid, I must emphasize that, with a paid Netflix account. Man, yeah, this is a place to be for real. So now we're going to go into one of the rooms and we're showing you, this is a double sharing room and we're showing how nice it is. Remember, this is just a residence. This is not a hotel. This is a residence. Bear in mind, as we enter, you look at the beautiful setting. It is. Thank you, Mustang, for allowing us. This is our Mustang here. So if you look at how beautiful this place is and how well maintained, she maintains it, and then right here, sorry about that. That's my friend. They're calling business. So here we have our showers, and toilets. It's a very beautiful place indeed. Come back. And this is a very, very beautiful place indeed. The way everything is just positioned, the way the beds just push back and they give you off that home feel. See, the home structures when I was a kid, this is how I throw a house. And you have a house inside a house. Just imagine that. Thank you for allowing us. Thank you so much. Everything here is given attention to detail. Yeah, man, you must watch cartoons. I watch cartoons. I'm a fan of cartoons. I love cartoons, right? And we are done. This is a very beautiful space, as you have witnessed with your own eyes. This is not a res, people. This is an entire hotel. You know what? I'm speechless. Hey, man, they're not gonna find me. In terms of attention to detail, security, everything is paid to its most high standards. If you don't believe me, just see how the doors are opened. Did you see that? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
This is our landlord right here. She's taking care of this place. It's very beautiful, very well maintained. If you look at it, come in, come in. Don't be shy. My camera guy is very shy, man. I don't know why. This is two sharing, right? This is a two sharing bedroom, and if you look at it, it's not even a two sharing. It can fit about, yeah, some people fit their entire family. Man, this is a very beautiful place indeed. Even if you look at the study area, each person has their own unique study area where they can even take their own notes, studies, and as you can see, it's a color coded study. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, it's color coded. It's color coded. It's very beautiful, well maintained, and this just, I'm speechless, man. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Speechless. And thanks to our manager here. She took us on the row. She actually allowed us to come in here. Thank you. This place it's a place with a view, for real. Now we have an entire ocean view. As you can see here, when you just want to detox, take a stroll and just watch how the ships and the delivery, to be inspired. Yeah, one day my material will be shipped like this, man. It's an ocean view, for real. An entire ocean. Is this a residence or is this a hotel? I'm confused now. It's a very beautiful place indeed. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your floor. The girls' side. Yeah, then let me just take a chill and be ready. Cheers. We are done. And as we enter the 7th floor, in which it has the same outlook in terms of the girls and the guys' side. So you're going to see how everything is designed, from the doors to the floors to the rooms. Everything here is just amazing. As we go in, if you look at the doors are very, very nice. Very nice indeed. And there's a very small passage right there, so you can go through. So this color gives off life. It's a modern feel, it's a modern texture. Everything here is just modern. It gives off that modern look, right? And as we go into our passage, we can get to have what we actually want. So we go into one of the single rooms now. This is a single room, and you will be shown how everything looks from outside. Right now we're taking you to the single rooms, so you'll be seeing how the single rooms are placed. Everything is placed. As you enter, this place is very beautiful. And as you look on the bed side, on the bed, you can be on your bed, relax. And if there's even a TV, a little telly, there's a television, you can be relaxing. And there's a paid Netflix account. Yes, a paid Netflix account. This is a single room. This is not a sharing or whatsoever. This is a single room. And right here, you have your own kitchen top. This is a very, very beautiful, what do they call them? Tap. Yeah, I forgot what they call these. Then there's a tap, and then you have your own stoves. This is a beautiful layout. It's a beautiful layout. This is a single room, by the way. And then as you enter, these are your showers. This is a single room, mind you that. So these are the showers. And then this is toilet. And then this is the showers right there. Then as you enter, this is just a place beautiful. Then here you can place your suitcase or your shoes for the guys, because it's a very same outlook with the girls and the guys. So for guys, you can place your shoes right here, display them. It's a very nice outlook indeed. Oh, I didn't even see that. Look how these doors close. It's a roller. Wow, it has a very beautiful indeed. Then right here, you even have your own microwave, your own kettle. You're living nice here, man. You're living nice. This is a single room. If your residents can beat this, man, yeah, I don't know. And right now we're about to go to our showers. So these are the girls' showers, but remember there's a very same outlook between the guys and the girls' side. So if you look, we showed you a single room, right? There are sharing rooms in the same floor. And then for the sharings, these are the showers that they have for them. So if you look at here, see they're very privatized. So you can be here alone and just close the door. You have your privacy right here. And then here, just look at how beautiful these are. Is this aluminum or T-foil? Wow, the material is just with what do they call this? It's not marble, granite. Yeah, it's a granite fill with this. The placing is just beautiful, man. Look at me. I'm looking fresh as hell, man. It's a very beautiful one. And then right there, this side, we have your toilets as it is. Then you can look from interior how our toilets look. Our toilets look like this from inside. So it's a very, very well packed, very well thought out look for the toilets. And even the toilets, from the rooms to the toilets, the attention to detail is very specific, very, very, very well thought out, right? And as we exit our toilet area, they'll call it, the washers? Yeah. As we exit the washers, we have your entire field right here. Then we have our beautiful and lovely ladies preparing our beautiful messages here. You can look at the message. Excellent is an art won by training and habitation. Let that sink in. These are beautiful ladies right there sitting. So while you're cooking, you can have a chill with your ladies. Talk about who's doing what, skim some, the norm, man, the norm. Then right here, you have a sitting area. So it's a very well thought out sitting area. Others can sit right here, others can sit right here. So it does not have a crowded space. And as you can see, it even has this lounge area. But if you want to just come and chill, watch a telly, catch up with your shows, catch up with your Netflix, man, you chill, bruh. You chill. So everything is very well thought out. And then right this side, so if you look, they have the very same outlook from the 8th floor to the 7th floor and other floors. The design is a bit different in terms of the sitting area, but everything is just the design process. The interior design is well thought out and looks the same, and with their branded fridges and branded everything. And this is the lounge area. Peace. We just toured one of the most luxurious, one of the most comfortable residences we could find here in PE. This is the Regent Student Accommodation. Regent Student Accommodation. And this has been another shoot. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are.